Well, Shantay Davies-Balch is using her education and experience to help the Black community in Fresno. Her work led her to her current spot on a board working to help minorities navigate through the COVID-19 pandemic. Here's her story that earned her a spot in our Remarkable Women class of 2021. Shantay Davies-Balch launched the Black Wellness and Prosperity Center to help African American women and babies. But then the coronavirus hit, and Shantay realized she needed to put the center on hold so she could help the Black community navigate through the pandemic.
My intention was to just get some infrastructure in place, right, to do some COVID work in the African American community, and it sort of took on a life of its own.
She helped form the African American COVID-19 Equity Coalition. It's a branch of the Fresno COVID-19 Equity Project.
We know, right, that communities of color are more likely to suffer from underlying health conditions.
She's already made an impact with people like Stephanie Franklin, who was pregnant, living in a homeless shelter, and sick with COVID. Stephanie now has a job and a home of her own, thanks to Shantay's work.
Without AAC, I don't know where I would be.
It's really about building internal capacity in the Black community and also building out infrastructure so that post-COVID, folks walk away from this work not only having helped the community, but also having gained some very transferable skills that can be applied in different areas of community and public health.
So many remarkable women, it's hard to narrow it down to just a couple, but in a couple weeks, they're going to have our announcement of our winner.
And we've done so many stories about how different communities have reacted to the vaccine, different measures around social distancing, things like that. So it's important that people are getting out into those communities, informing them about how safe everything is.
It's nice to have someone to turn to for that information, because it can get overwhelming. Where do I go? How do I get the vaccine? It can get confusing. So she's really making her mark in the community.
All right, I want to see just how much more remarkable they get from here.
I know, it's like, how can you top these?
Bubbling up.